Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Turkish broccoli soup. This soup is the most creamiest, easiest, and it is so delicious. It will surely be one of your favorite recipes. Let's get started. So, in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Now add 1 large onion, chopped, and cook until the onion changes color. Now, add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Add 2 medium carrots, which is chopped. Now, cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt. Now add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 4 cups of water. Now add salt according to your preferred taste. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed fresh black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and now, cook for 2 minutes. Now add 2 cups of milk. This is the best soup recipe ever. In the meanwhile, please subscribe and press the notification bell to not miss any new recipes. Now add 800 grams of broccoli. Now cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add half a cup of double cream. Add half a cup of cheddar cheese. Now it is ready to serve. So there you have it, the best soup recipe ever. You can serve it with toasted French bread. It tastes so creamy and thick, and is so delicious. Anyway, I hope you liked the recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.